Are you excited? Well, you should be, because today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious saucy soy protein curls. They're actually super easy to make and really delicious. So let's get started. Before you do anything else, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so the first thing you want to do is boil some water. While the water is boiling, you're going to add 2 cups or about 108 grams of these soy protein curls to a bowl. Pour the boiling water over and let that soak for about 10 minutes. And then just wait. Yeah. All right, the 10 minutes are up. What you're gonna go ahead and do now is line a cookie sheet with either some parchment paper or some coconut oil, about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and use your fingers to spread it all over to every corner of the cookie sheet. Now, before you add the curls to the cookie sheet, you've got to wring them out. So first drain out the hot water, add in some cold water under a tap and squeeze. Use your hands to squeeze. I find that's the best way to really wring out as much water as possible. Then you can put them onto the cookie sheet and spread them out. Make sure it's fairly even across the whole sheet. Stick that bad boy into the oven for 15 minutes, but every few minutes, make sure to go in and just sort of turn them. All right? That's it. While you're waiting for your curls to become all crunchy and crispy, you can begin on the sauce. Place a pot on medium heat, and then you're gonna add in all the wonderful ingredients. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and minced ginger. But I mean, if you wanna add a little more ginger or garlic, go right ahead. I love garlic, so I definitely added more. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Again, add more if you like it spicy. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. What you're gonna do next is bring this mixture to a very low boil, and when that happens, you're gonna add in your slurry. Now, your slurry is very simple to make. It is made from 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix that up and pour it in. But keep stirring as you're pouring, because almost instantly it will begin to thicken up. If you find that it's a little too thick, you can go ahead and add some more vegetable broth. Now give this mixture just a few more minutes on the heat, because you want to make sure that the taste of the cornstarch is cooked out. And once that's done, wait for your crispy, crunchy little soy curls. All right, the soy curls are out of the oven. The sauce is ready to go. All I did was add the curls to a bowl, and I poured the sauce over it, and then used like tongs or a fork or a spoon or whatever you want to mix it up. Once that's done, I added it over some rice and some vegetables, and I was good to go. Delicious. Well, that's it. I told you it was easy. My opinion though, it's best day 1. You can heat it up after, but absolutely amazing the first day. If you like this recipe, make sure to leave a comment below and let me know. All right, people, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.